English teacher asked the classroom what it is that we wanted to do when we got older. Now, being 5'5", I said truck driver, and the entire class laughed.
I don't care what you want to be in this life, man. It don't matter if you're black, green, purple, yellow, karate kicking or not, man. Do not ever let anyone tell you you can't do nothing. I'm a normal dude. I'm just out here myself, and I'm making shit happen, man. Grind for yourself, believe in yourself, and you can do anything. I mean that. It don't matter if you're short. It don't matter if you're tall. Everything in life is an excuse. Take accountability, responsibility for everything you do. Have a vision, have a blueprint, and make it happen, man. I'm so glad that I get an opportunity to interview this mother trucker right here because everyone laughed at him. The English teacher, the students, look where he is now. Truck's about paid off. Trailer's about paid off. This is his third, fourth truck. I mean, come on now. He making more money than that damn teacher. So that's all I have to say, man. Turn those haters into motivators, man. I hope you guys get what you want out of this, but everything in life is reachable. It's attainable. You just gotta really want it, and you gotta be willing to put in the work. Let's go! Now when we talk about DeVree and him wanting to be a truck driver, let's talk about that situation. What happened? Tell us the time.
Well, 12th grade year, first day of school, man. English teacher asked the classroom what it is that we wanted to do when we got older. Now, being 5'5", I said truck driver, and the entire class laughed.
Why do you think they laughed about that, though?
Short.
You ain't short.
Nobody would believe that you could drive a truck like that at 5'5", but height has nothing to do with driving no truck.
You ain't that short. Wait up, okay. Wait up. Stand next to your truck and we can tell. Let me see.
I'm short now.
Yeah, you're right. You're short. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right. But 5'5" ain't bad.
Nah, man. It's average, man.
That's average, man. So, but they laughed at you, huh?
They laughed.
And look at you now. Now you're laughing at them.
It's a successful career, man.
Hey.
I'm there. I couldn't
They're
complain.
all broke. I'm a positive dude, man. Everyone that laughed at you is all broke.
They probably do. Some of them are probably truck drivers, to be honest.
They're watching this and be like, you know what? I don't even know why I laughed at him,
Exactly.
Hey, that's great, man. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem, man.
Oh, yeah. That's good, man.